So I'm in the community garden, and some of my heads of cabbages are getting big, but look at, I got something eating this one. But a lot of the potatoes are flowering also. The Swiss chard is amazing. I don't want to go into the garden. I will pick some before I go home, but look, it's even sending seed heads up. But everything seems to be growing good. I wasn't sure how much weeds I would have today since rain, rain, rain. Cabbage or cauliflower plants are going good. Beautiful tomato plants. Lots of flowers. My red cabbage is just barely starting to make the heads. Oh, I got some more broccolis to pick. Zucchini flowering over there. But look at these sunflowers. They're as high as my waist. And the pumpkins are starting to get bigger. I got little cabbages along here too. And different melons, and I think there's actually even a different kind of pumpkin in these too. And I got my sheet with me. But not bad for weeds at all. So I'm totally excited about the garden. Okay, there's a flower on one of the pumpkins. Excellent. The rest of the community garden is going good. It's going to be a good season. We do need some sunshine. Sweet potatoes are okay too. So we'll see how they go. I started these from slips. That's a pile of weeds, mostly purslane. But if it's in the garden, I want it to stay in the garden, so I just pile it up. Okay, look at these kohlrabis. Seriously, they're bigger than softballs. But they're not supposed to get woody. So I'm gonna leave them a couple more days. I like to pull them out when it's not so wet. I did take 2 of them out. Got one in the fridge, gave one away. But I'm excited about the garden.